Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorials. Live here. How do you recover Gmail ID in a case you have forgot password spontaneously? Of course you don't have registered recovery mobile number or recovery Gmail ID. Don't have, however, of course, if you provide enough sufficient information to Google, then of course Google can secure that this account belongs to you. Today, especially, unfortunately, my friends who has especially lost his device and who has recommended to other recovers in this issue. Of course, I decide to especially recover it with live recording. So let's see here. Right now, see guys, this area is especially. Yeah, this is the ID that we would like to recover. So just simply we will go for here. We have option. If we don't have, we have another option, that is another way try. So just we will pick it, and upon of course we can see here we don't have a mobile number, so just we will click here. We don't have. Now it's a saying that especially couldn't sign in you. It means, of course, I did not provide enough information for Google to be sure that this account belongs really mine. Of course, I will have to provide sufficient information and this ID will be secured and it belongs to me. How could it be possible? Of course, and this can be possible, guys. Here, let's see. Simply just we will cut it from here, and upon of course we will come in a Chrome browser. Sorry, in a Play Store. In the Play Store especially, of course, we will have to type here. Just let's write. Of course, we will go for. Let me have here. This will be key of Samsung. Now, of course, we will go for right here. Browser, and of course here we will go for search it. Now here guys, see, just we will scroll up and of course we will go for STARZON, this browser. Of course especially ABC here, just we will go for install it, and upon of course we can see here. So it has started to install and quickly it has been installed now. Of course it will work the faster recovery for your Gmail ID. So how it is possible we will see live here. Simply just we will come in a Google product, we will hold this Google browser, we will click on an I dot, and in there of course we will tap on a permission, navigate the location guys. Of course we will click here. We have to select don't allow any way, and thereupon of course we will back, and one more time we have to back and click on a set as a default, and we will clear this ones. We have to clear, and thereupon of course what we have to do, we will disable support links, and thereupon we will back, and of course we will back. We will come this Chrome browser, hold it, and thereupon of course we will click on I dot. Let's tap on a permission to of course navigate the location. We will select don't allow, and now see, we will back, and once again we will back, and thereupon of course notification that will be blocked, and thereupon set as a browser, and thereupon as we see STARZON, this browser can finally here, just we have to relax this one, we will back. Now of course we will come that browser, just let it open here. Of course term and condition we will have to accept, so just we are going. Now here just we have a Google's, just we will click here. We have a sign dot, just we will click on here, and here we will have to type this particular ID. and thereupon of course we will go for next. Now here just we will click on a forgot, and how easily step by step you can have. So now number second number or the last two digit number is displaying, so just we will go for don't have this number. Now so Sanksha, I couldn't sign in you. Don't click on a try again guys, otherwise of course it would be a freeze for sometimes, because Google will trust that of course you are trying to attempt to recover, or you are trying to recover particular ID that doesn't belong to you with different browser you are trying to recover, or change the password. So simply we will cut it guys, and now totally hopeless we will tap on a especially setting guys, and easy smartly you can recover it. Just I show you guys. Just we will have to scroll, and of course there is a Google service, tap on it, and thereupon click on a three dot guys, and thereupon of course we will come in help. In help, what do you have to do? You have to click here in a help search bar, and you have to write lost or stolen phones, and here is a common fix the issues. Just we will have these ones, and here we have options, and that is a recover your account. Here is a tips to the complete account recovery files. Now here account recovery page, just now this browser has been opened. Now of course here we will have to type that ID once again, and thereupon of course here just we will go for next. Now see guys, directly we would be here. So now what we have to do here, don't click on a continue option, so otherwise you will have the problems. Here is a giving to the message that welcome back. So here just we will have to click on a update password, just directly. So we will have an opportunity to generate a strong password here guys. How easily, see, here is giving the message that create a new strong password that you don't use other website. Here is also options to escape, and directly you can access all the data. You can save firstly data. You can here add your recovery Gmail ID. You can add your recovery mobile number, and thereupon of course go for save that password that you have created here, a strong password. Now right now with live especially we cannot especially create here the strong password, but of course we are having an opportunity to generate new password. So this is all about guys. Furthermore, any inquiry of course you can raise the comment below the comment box. Pleasure would be mine to reply your the query guys, and of course for any assistance leave your Gmail ID that you would like to recover. So this is all about, and if you found that this is informative and knowledgeable, then please don't forget like, subscribe and share of this content, because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot to make such as informative tutorial guys. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.